Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in a Firebase learning series, we will learn how to send a message from Firebase Cloud Messaging to Android application. So we will send the message from this cloud messaging server to the application. So for sending all these things, I have explained in previous video also. In a video I have explained registration and login with Firebase authentication, in which I have explained how to connect this application with Firebase. So here I am just explaining directly the coding. So for that we have to go to the Firebase assistant. I will explain each and every steps, just you have to follow. So we have to go for cloud messaging. This is a cloud messaging. You have to click here. I have already connected all these things. I have already connected. I click here, it will connect and make a login. It will ask for login, just to give your username and password, and select your application by which you are going to send your message, or link this Firebase project with this project. Then you can click here, add to this changes if you want to add the library. Second step is to add the library in it. So it will insert the library and synchronize the project. This is the thing. So in this activity I have added only one text view. This text view will display the token. Token is an identification or the ID of a device. So message we send to the particular device. So this device is what? This device is the identified device on which we want to send a message. For example, in WhatsApp, if you want to send a message, you send the message to the mobile number. The mobile number is a unique ID. So that's why this token is a unique ID for this application. So this ID I will display here also, and I will display in log also. So by which we copy the particular your token and we send the message to this particular device. So each and every application will have a unique token. So to whom we want to send, we just check the token and copy that and paste on the Firebase, and we send the message. So before sending a message, what we have to do? First of all, in main activity, I have designed only one text view, and this is the coding that I will explain later on. And in a manifesto file, if you follow the steps, it's saying leave the third step, because nowadays this step is not working. So we are going on this handle a message for sending a message from the server. So we need to create a service. That service should be extended with Firebase messaging service class. So I have made one services. This services is extend with Firebase messaging service. You read the instructions and follow as they are saying. So I have my service class, and this service class is a subclass of Firebase messaging service as mentioned here. Now we have to override a method on message received. So I have override the message on message received. Just we have to copy this code and paste here. Just copy and paste and make some changes. Changes like this: if somebody is sending the message, it will share the from where the message is coming. It will display from in a log. And if I am sending a data also with my message, it will check if data is attached with the message, then data will display here. So I am not sending a data because message is a combination of text plus data. So in this program I am not explaining how to send data. So this is not working in this application. This part is working, sending a message. Now if I say, so this message is coming, means the remote message dot get notification is not null. If this object is not null, that means the message is sent by the server. Now we will read the body and title of the message, and we will display the same in a log also. Log is log.d, and show notification is a method which display notification on a screen. And this is the method in which I have explained the code for notification. This notification I have also explained in my previous video. If you want to learn how to send a notification with channel, you can go to my previous video and see the detail. In this video, I am also explaining you that first of all we have to create a channel. So that's why we first of all creating a notification manager object, and then we are checking if the version of this particular Android SDK, Android device which I am using, is more than Oreo, because this channel only work on more than Oreo, and Oreo does not work less than Oreo. Now I am creating a notification channel. Here I am passing a 3 parameter. First is the ID. ID means the channel name. This is the description, only name of the notification. This is main. Channel name is this, and channel ID is main. Then I'm designing the priority of this. Priority is high, means if messages come, display immediately. So this channel and this channel ID may be anything, whatever you want to give, but this should be unique for each and every notification which we are sending. So here we are setting a description for the notification. Then we are saying enable light, means if your device having a light, it will blink the light on receiving a message. Now we are creating a notification created by notification manager. Now we are creating a message. So by using notification compact.builder, we are creating a notification manager builder. Here we are passing a channel ID, same channel ID which we are passing here. So this message will display on this channel. Now we are passing a same parameter for notification. Auto cancel means it should be cancelled if we ignore the message. And a text which you want to display, title of this, icon on the message, and we are firing the message right now. And this is the ID and this is the message which we have built earlier. For more detail, you can go to my previous video. It is only for displaying a notification which is coming from the Firebase server. So your data which you are sending or message which you are sending will display on a screen from the server. So this particular service will receive the message, and we have to also add the following code, this code, in manifest file also. So here is a manifest file. I have added the service. This service, the name of my service is my service. That's why I have replaced this name, and remaining are the same. We are using a filter this. So this service is linked with this service. Okay, and because of these entry, Firebase message event, if message come from the Firebase, it will display in this service. Okay, this is all about the coding here. And in this coding, what we are going to explain, because the message is possible by two ways. First by the package name, and second by the token. So we are generating in this example, we are generating a token and sending a message to the individual token. So here the code for generating a token. First of all, we have create the object of the text view. Then we are creating a token. So this is the token, and remember token is generate only one time from the Firebase, but we can read again and again, and same token ID will be displayed. But if you uninstall your application and install again, then it will change the token. And so what we are doing here, get instance, then get instance ID by using a Firebase instance ID, and add on complete listener. We are firing an event add on complete listener, means if the instance ID is generated, means if the token is generated, if the authentication process is right, then on the completion of the of that authentication, perform the following task. What task is successful? If we log in successfully, then we read the token, that is task.getResult.token. Then we display in text view also, and we display in a log also, because we have to copy token and we have to send a message also. So we can copy only from the log. And if not found, so we are saying in this text view that token is not found, and we are also displaying in log also token is not found. So this is all about small coding, just read a token. So in this application, I will run the application, I will read the token, I will copy the token and send a message to the device. So I'm running this application. So I click on this, it will display. it will run, and it will display the token also. You see, token is display here, and if I want to read my token, so this is the token also. You see, this token is coming here, and I can read, and this is from, you see, this is from who are sending, the server is sending, and this is the title, the body, and we have a title also. It will display title also. So here is the token. So we have to copy this token, and we have to paste on a server. So now we are going to the server, and this application is running. So we are sending a message here. So for sending a message, just what we have to do, click on cloud messaging here and click on new notification, and here type the title. Suppose I'm writing here testing, and here I'm writing a message, this is my testing message using FCM, Firebase cloud messaging, and click here, and it will ask for the device token. So we can copy here the token. I have already added here also. So you can click on this also, you can type here. Now what we have to do, we have to add this. Otherwise you can, I have already added, so I can click here and it automatically add here, and click on test. If I click on test, and it will send the message here. It's taking time. It's taking a time, and again is coming also. So we will send one more time and see the message. Click here and click on this also, test, and you see here, and you see the message is coming here. So it taking little bit time because of the busyness of Firebase server. So message is coming. You see, this is the message which I am sending, testing. This is my message from using FCM. So you clear that. This way you can send the message to the particular device, and this is the half process for sending a message in like a application, WhatsApp type of application. So you can make other side also, in which client will send the message to the server, and server will send the message to the client. So this part is manually we are sending the message from the server to the client. So this can be implemented by using other application or same application. By using this, we can send, we can make more code also in it. We can make application like a Firebase. So this is the use of Firebase messaging, and this way we can send the message from the server using Firebase cloud messaging. So this is all about. We see you in the next video for more video on these Android topics. Till then.